see it. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live.
Identity is what you gave to me. Change, man, I'm a living vessel of a deity. I realized I was the one that you were calling by name. I was down in the dumps, but you loved me the same. Wasn't married, it was all by your grace. Called out, I thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, thank you, Lord, for the day. I say my prayers, I give thanks to Yahweh.
Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live, Your word is my illumination, guiding me through life, showing me the revelation of your kind of life. A life of peace and joy I find in you. Blind seeing again, flame walking again. Holy Spirit within, I'm walking in your will. Your will, my deed, that is what I'm living for. With you in me, no reason for being lost. Everything I could need, I have within me. With you and me, my vision is plain to see. In you, I found me. In you, that's where I live,
T-Pops on the beat.
Cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my queso. And I know one never bring shame to your name, Nemo. Oluwa, give me your grace. Cause I know bad man want to shank my racer. Baba, you try for my queso. And I know I never bring shame to your name, yeah.
So I say give me that, I no go ever put you to shame. Yeah. So I say give me that, I no go ever put you to shame.
I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing. Cause he did cover me and he did protect me. Every day it's working. I know that your hand is upon me. Make I no go play with my anointing. Cause he did cover me and he did protect me. Every day, man, it's working. This is all I want from you, I need it. Fill me till I overflow, I need it. Fill me with your grace. Put me in a space where you guide my steps. Every day, I need it. Yes, I need it. You know I need it. Can't do a thing without it, I need it. I said you know I need it, oh. Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shunt my race. Baba, you try for my queso. And I know one never be ashamed to your name, oh, yeah.
Don't call your name on the day. I did try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, oh, yeah. Lord, I'm needing more grace, oh, Lord. Lord, I call your name on the day. I did try my best, but I'm failing. Lord, I need your grace, oh, yeah. Lord, I'm needing more grace, oh, Lord.
Oluwa, give me your grace, cause I know bad man want to shut my race, Baba, you try for my kiss, and I know one never be ashamed to your name, oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I say, give me that, give me that, give me that. I don't go ever put you to shame, shame. Yeah. So I say, give me that, give me that, give me that. I don't go ever put you to shame, shame. Yeah.
Mix Wonders Magic.
If not by works, I no get chance. Not by your grace, where I take advance. Oh Lord, your word be the substance.
Yo, chat, what up, chat? Happy Friday, gang. What's up? How you guys doing, man? Happy Friday, chat. Drop some emojis in the chat. Drop some fire. Drop the energy, gang. Let's go.
You're the one I want to, the one that I need. Your spirit take counsel, give me everything. Stability is from you, stability is in you. People they like to confuse, not only you they tell you. Opinions, don't care about opinions. Oh, your was the only foundation I stand on. Opinions, don't need their opinions. Oh no, no, no. Your was the only foundation I stand on.
Let's go. I like that already. Yeah. Let's go. Drop it, man. I like it already. Let's go, bro.
Yeah, oh, la 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 la. You said, yeah, you love me long time, since the day that you found me, and at the right time, you opened my eyes to see. Oh, it feels like heaven, heaven on earth with you. I'm living in the wonders of your love. Oh God, your love is just the greatest I've ever known. Yeah, yeah. There's nowhere else I'd rather go. Oh no. And it's amazing. You hold me like
Let's go,
your
chat. What's up,
baby.
chat?
Oh, it's just a great.
What's up, gang? What up? All right, chat. How you guys doing, man? What's up? Welcome to a brand new day here, gang. What's up? What's up? How you guys doing? What's up? What's up? 30 minutes is about to close. 1 hour is about to close. Um, all right. Let's see how this 30 minutes close, chat. All right. Just give me 30 seconds here. Let's see. Let's see. But 15 close bearish. 30 close bullish. Tricky, tricky, tricky. Close above the range. The 30 close above the range. The 15 close bearish. Mm-hmm. Bottom wicks. Bottom wicks. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. 15 close bearish. So, nothing for me there. So yeah, chat. Let's do the top down analysis. You guys ready? Type ready in the chat if you guys ready, man. Type ready in the chat if you guys ready. Let's go. Type ready in the chat if you guys ready for the top down. Top down here. All right, gang. So we know that we are pushing up towards to the upside bullish on the monthly time frame, but the weekly time frame you react, right? React on this zone. And yeah, we anticipate this. We're gonna close this bullish but respecting, right? We're gonna close this respecting the high. So probably on the next week candle, we're gonna see this. If you're gonna close respecting, you're gonna see bottom wick here first before driving up further. So you probably gonna see the retest on the this zone 3,220 zone. All right. So for that, we can grab some cells again on this wick, right, to drive down before driving up further. But it depends, right? It depends on the candle, where's the candle's gonna headed. But the daily time frame here, as you can see, we have resistance form now, right? Your resistance, your support is here, and then this current candle tried to drive down, re-break the previous candle. I believe this is daily candle is we'll we'll grab some orders above here before driving down once again, right? Like this, it's gonna look like this, but it depends, right? It depends if there's a volume. It depends on the NY session if they're gonna push down the price, because yesterday volume on the price is the Trump speech, right? This one, this is the Trump speech, the volume of this. And as you can see, it closed heavy bearish on the price, on the candle, right? So you're gonna anticipate that the next candle will push down further to retest some lows here. You need to grab some orders here, enable for you to decide where's the price gonna headed, right? But for now, the daily time frame is starting to drive up, right? I believe it's recovering here on the lower time frame, right? 4 hour time frame is pushing up towards to the upside, 530 pips here on the 4 hour time frame move. But any closure between here, once you see closure below, you're probably gonna see that coming once again to fill the wick on the left hand side here, right? So yeah, we still bearish. I'm still bearish for the day. As you can see, we have structure forming here. We have structure bearish. So we talked about this last week that this breakout on the 4 hour time frame, after you break out here, you drive down, right? Then you drive back up once again because there's no structure here, as you can see here, right? If we gonna remove that candles, as you can see, if you're um know how to read structure, market structure, trend, there is no structure here, chat. As you can see, right? There's no structure. So, and as you can see, the price is heading towards to the upside now. You have support here forming. You have support, right? You have support, and then now your resistance is up here, and then the candles are trying to push up further because there's no structure on this area, right? So this kind of structure, you need to create some structure enable for you to push down further. And yeah, so yep, so we have structure now. We're heading to the downside once again here, structure here, right? As you can see, it is just pumping up towards to the upside right now, consolidating and then push down. I believe there is a high chance that the next 4 hour candle will drive down here if we have volume on the London session. Until pre NY to NY, will they gonna push down. But I'm still bearish for the day. I'm still bearish on the lower time frame. On the 4 hour, I'm bearish. 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour here. As you can see, we starting to consolidate. Right, we're starting to print side by side. But any closure below, that's good for retest some support here or here. Right, we can anticipate that. And 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, 30 minutes time frame still consolidating here. So you can see here we have wicks on the left hand side, but any closure below here, it's good for selling down. Right? So yeah, 15. Right, 15 is it have structure here. Any closure below, it's good for selling down, but you have minor support level here. We're probably gonna wait for some structure. Let's see. 30. Let's see. 15. Yeah. So if you guys are asking why I'm putting some levels, because I wanna give some gaps for the candles to close. Enable for you to close. I don't wanna put like this only. You know. That's why I wanna put this in the middle so it has some little bit of gap or breathing room for the candles to close. If gonna close bearish or respecting, like that. All right. So yeah, this is my level so far. We're gonna look for potential So right now, selling is a little bit tough because we have wicks on the left hand side here, right? Any closure below probably any closure below probably gonna on the next open of the candle probably gonna react because of this wicks on the left hand side. And the next support level is here, right? This here, then this one. So yeah, we're gonna wait here, chat. We're gonna wait for some trades today. I like the buys too because we're recovering from push, right? We're recovering from the massive push yesterday. We still have we need to have some structure forming here. We need to have some retest on this range. I want to see some retest of this range because we have moved here, right? We move almost 530 pips and then we create some structure. Okay, we're heading down, but any closure above, it's good for buying, right? Any closure there, it's good for buying up to retest the high on the clean range, right? So yeah, man, that's my probabilities for the day. We're gonna wait for some sells. It's a little bit top here because of the wicks on the left hand side. Support here, support. But for me, for selling, it's good for here to sell. It's good for 3304 because you have clean range 3270 pip range towards to the downside because this range is a little bit choppy for me. So probably I don't want to touch anything on this area because a little bit choppy, right? So if the candle push towards to the downside here, it's okay, right? And I want to see that push and then some retracement form, and then once I see some resistance once again, clean traffic, and I'm gonna take sales to head down. That's the scenario probabilities. All right, chat gang. If you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Shout out to 47 viewers here. Make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. And make sure you follow me on IG. It's Friday today, gang. It's Friday today. We need to be, chill. If you're up on this week, relax a little bit. Don't need to be aggressive, right? We don't need to be aggressive today. We don't need to be aggressive. Waiting game, chat. Waiting. Need to wait here. No buenos for me yet. But because of the wicks, I don't want to sell. So yeah, no sells for us yet. I want to see structure. If the price head to the downside, man, I'm gonna watch this price. It's good for me. I'm gonna watch that. Right? I'm gonna watch that. I know we're in the London session now. I'm gonna watch this pushing down. Then I'm gonna wait for some retracement to take some sells because I know the fact that we're bearish for the day and we have move trend. You just need to wait for some retracement, wait for some resistance form, and then take sells. That's it. Right? So if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. Make sure you like the stream, all right? Like the stream. Subs to the channel. Let's go. Don't trade news. Don't trade news. Don't trade news. So if you have any questions, you can drop in the chat. You can drop it. Ask questions. If you have any questions, if you don't have, that's fine. For our bearish closure, yeah, nice. So because of these wicks on the left, that's why some ranges here become choppy, right? Some ranges become choppy here, right? 30 minutes a little bit clean, but 30 minutes has some wick here too. But the 15 minutes is a little bit choppy because of that. No bueno, no bueno. Choppy on the 30 minutes. We're close. Bearish. If this close, like this chat, kinda good for impulse buy here. Let's see if this happen. But I wanna see the closure, bearish closure in the 15 and 9 minutes. But oh push, no. It's a little bit tough that. It's a little bit tough if this candle to push up. Impulse entry is good once the candle close like this with a little bit top wick, but you know, huge body here, huge wick with a small body. Your entry is re-break on the high here, and then the next 15 minutes candle open up, boom, push up here. Impulse shenanigans. All right, London again is choppy, man. London is choppy. It's better to trade with the Asian session, chai. Session is crazy, bro. Crazy volume here. Boom, 500 pip. 500 pip down, 500 pip up. Wow, 71% are winners this week, huh? W. Congratulations. 71%. Very nice. Oh, thank you, brother. Thank you, bro. New shave, new haircut. Yeah, man, because too much W, bro. Too much W in the stream. That's why. We got some dubs. Shout out to 51 viewers, man. Shout out to you guys. Welcome to the live stream. If you have any questions, you can feel free to ask questions. You can drop in the chat if you have any questions, and make sure you like the stream and subs to the channel. If you want to follow me on IG, link is in the description below. Five minutes for the close. 5 minutes. I'm gonna give it a shot on this. Once I once this candle close like this, I wanna see bottom wick first, right? And then flip. Gonna look like this. The price. Steeper bottom wick. It's good. It's good. 4 minutes for the close, chat. 4 minutes. 4 minutes for the close here. Can we close bullish in 2 minutes and 30 seconds? Can you close bullish? Shout out to 58 viewers. What's up? Chat, make sure you like the stream. Can I see 40 likes in your chat? Like the stream, man. Subs to the channel too. Like the stream. Can I see 40 likes with 58 viewers right now? Let's go. One minute and 40 seconds. Doji closure. See this. Doji, man. All right, close. No buenos, chat. Still waiting here. No buenos. No buenos keys. No buenos keys. No buenos, man. 26 pip. Oh. Jeff, you have any questions? Drop it while we were waiting for the trade. No setup yet. 5 minutes consolidating here. 5 minutes consolidating. 1 hour re-breaking. 4 hour closing. Daily flipping. Oh, man. London session, no Beno. London has no volume. Oh, wow. BTC is 103 now. You will see this BTC new all-time high here. Right, new all-time high here, Cha. You're gonna see this probably next week. But this month, you will see new all-time high here. This month. Month May, you will see new all-time high minimum. Because as you can see, the monthly closure here, bang, bullish, and then now the monthly open up here, no reaction, Chad, no reaction on the resistance zone on the BTC, no reaction. You re-break the high, it will pop up here, will pop up. So yeah, but the weekly pushing up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, crazy. Daily, yeah, man. You will see new all-time high here. Interesting. Interesting. 110, right? Ang gold to. Grabe ba? I start trading 2023 September. Yeah, this one. So I start trading September. Man, it's bullish. If I just buy gold, man, push up 16,000 pip. Holy grail. Good morning, bro. What's up? How you doing? You good? Yesterday candle 1,225, 200, 2,000, 1,260 pip. Damn. 4 hour close doji. Doji closure. Probably close like this. And top wick. Or, because this is small body, you have bullish closure on the price. Bottom wick re-break. Five minutes for this 15. 30 is bearish, but I'm still bullish in the 1 hour here. 4 hour. Yeah. 5 minutes here. Stop loss probably below here. Because once you re-break this, it will push down further. right? So we still have range to fill up. We move up, break of structure here. Right, you break, you retest, you break again, you retest. Now you're ready to pop up. Mm-hmm. Yep. Let's see. Three minutes and 49 seconds here, chat. If this candle close bullish like this, yeah, it's good. We're gonna anticipate the next candle will pop up. Right, stop loss probably below this area or this area. All right, so yeah, man. 3 minutes, ja, locked in here for the buys here. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, don't push, don't push. Wait, wait, wait. Wait for us. Wait for us, gold. Wait. Wait for us, man. Chill, relax. Relax, my friend. Two minutes, chat. 2 minutes for closure. Gold, wait for us, man. Relax. Gold. Uy. Guys, wag niyong ihipan, guys. Tumataas na eh. Oh, shit. Push up. Gold, wait. Wait, man. I'm gold. You gold. Ah, man. Push up. Push up. Push up. Push. 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 Push, man. Push, man. Close no top wick. Five, two, one. Bottom wick. See bottom wick. Re-break the high already. Okay. Okay. Man. All right. Bye, gold. Bye-bye. Ah, 15 pips. I like the closure of the 15, but I want to see bottom wick first. Right? But bottom wick here, at least here. So we can grab some, weak entries for buy. But create small bottom wick. I don't like that. Boom, boom. But if you take buys here, you're good, man. 25 pips already. Alright, once you re-break the high on the 30, it will pop up towards 3330. Believe me, chat, you know that, right? We got some buys here, chat. We got some buys. We'll get the buys here. Drop in the chat. Don't be shy, man. We got the buys here after the close. We got some buys here. Wow, Jason. Jason. Right, will pop up here. Once you re-break the high, it will pop up. Pop up. Psst, psst, psst. Yeah, good job, man. W. 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 I'm planning to take buys here on the re-break, but there is no. I don't like the bottom wick. I want to see like a bit steeper to flip like this or like this, little bit steeper here before driving up. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. All right, na, pumping up. Pumping up, pumping up. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up. All right. One more spike. Psst. And psst. And psst. And psst. Ayun na, ja. Oops. Ayun na, one more. Psst. And psst. Nice. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Two age. What do you mean 2H? I'm not using 2 hours. 2 hours? No, I'm not using 2 hours. 2 hours doesn't make sense for me. What's this? I just use 1, 5, 15, 30, 1, 4. Yeah. Oh, you reacted in the resistance. Reacted. Chad, if you have the buys there, W man, congratulations. If you got some buys there, congrats. Yeah, 41 pip. WW www dot www.fullmargin.com. Full margin for 20 pips. Yeah, coach, pwede po mahingi yung link ng journal mo. Why? Do you want to journal your trade? Let's go. Let's go, man. Let's go. Yeah, that's the one. Full margin. Come on, let's go, Chad. You know that. Full margin, man. Full margin. Ugh. I'm tired, man. I'm tired. No problem, brother. Enjoy the journal. Make sure you journal, all right? Make sure you journal because if you don't journal, man, I don't know. Chad, that's the trade, man. 41 pip. That's the trade. Clean traffic on the 15 on the left. Onions. Never get chance to enter a trade because I don't want to bottom wick here. But yeah, it's Friday, so as you can see, if you don't journal, you don't have journal. I just take one trade yesterday, the London, right? And is there a tutorial on how to use journal, coach? There's no tutorial in journal, but you can change. Depends on your strategy. You can change. Depends on the name of the setup. You can change it here, like add another or remove the. Once you click the spreadsheet, just copy it, make a copy, and then remove everything. If you want to change something here, you want to change the setup or whatever, add some pair here, you can add here, and the session, you can add whatever you like. It's just clicking, and then time frame, how many pips you take, like this, blah blah blah, and then yeah. So yeah, man, that's it. This is a good breakout. Once you see breakout here, once pumping here. I want to see close bearish or above here close, and then the next candle pops up close above. Man, you're good for buying up once again here, right? One candle on the 30 is a little bit tough here. One candle is a little bit tough for the buy up. So structure wise, you want to see structure on the 15. I want to see this like this probably, or one more closure, buy closure, and then I like this, and we're good for buying up. New resistance, because once you have new resistance formed, then the next candle open up, and then you can, impulse and otherwise impulse trade here to push up, and then the next candle will pop up. Yeah. But if this candle break out like this, no, I don't want to participate on the next candle. I don't like that. Right? So I want to see close a new resistance form once again here. And then bullish, then pop up. Because this is overstretch already. If you're gonna look for the higher time frame, that's called overstretch, right? Overstretch, 4-hour time frame overstretch here. 1 hour is overstretch already, as you can see here, right? 3 hours close bullish. It's basically overstretch. So you need to understand that time frame correlations. 30 minutes time frame. Once you close above, I don't like the closure there above too. I'm gonna see structure forming before buying up. So you need to understand time frame correlations. If the candles are overstretched already, the 4-hour overstretch, look for 15 for some market structure. That's it. Right, I hope you guys are learning every single day, huh? You guys are learning too many things in the live stream here. I hope you guys are learning every single day. Either no trades, with trades. I hope you guys are learning why we're taking, some trades here, why we're taking this buy, because support form, right? This is the logic here. Support form, the fact that you have clean traffic here and we still bullish on the day session. Now you're good for pushing up here, right? That's the probability. But the problem here for me is I don't like the bottom wick. If there's no bottom wick, I want to see bottom wick first. Tapping here, probably a little bit steeper before driving up. So I probably gonna buy on the flip or the re-break of the current candle high. But if you take buys there, you're good. But for me, I need to follow some plans, some scenarios on the candle before take some trades. Can I learn time frame correlation in WoW? Yeah, I believe Nate is sharing the time frame correlation, but I don't know if the other traders are sharing the time frame correlations. I don't know if they know that, but I hearing a lot of time frame correlation with Nate. So you can check how Nate doing the time frame correlation. But for me, time frame correlation is basically for example, 4-hour time frame, right, pushing up here, right? So for a 4-hour time frame, enable for you to close, you need four candles in 1 hour, right? So for example, we are bullish now, right? Bullish here. So this candle, enable for you to close, we need 4 candles. So you need 1 hour, 4 candles. So probably this bottom wick, it's gonna look like this, right? Gonna look like that. So this is the bottom wick. How you do the time frame, right? High time frame correlation. Bottom wick. This is the bottom wick on the 4-hour time frame. Now, once you push up here, now you have support form, right? And then the next candle push up. Like this. Right? So that's how you're gonna do the time frame correlation. This include 30, 15, 1 hour, right? See that? This is the 4 hour. One candle, 4 hour, one candle. Let me remove this. So 4 hour candle. And this is the time frame you correlate. The 1 hour, the 2 hour, the 3 hour, and the 4 hour. Does make sense? So this is the bottom wick. Right? This is the bottom wick. Your bottom wick on the 4 hour. So technically this is the bottom wick on the 4 hour here. And then make support. The flip of the candle. This is the body of the 1 hour candle. Make sense, chat? Right? Makes sense? You guys learning? W. W. So 30 minutes candle close above the range, but if you're gonna look for the 15, you have a structure here. Right? The wicks is equals a range, chat. So don't forget to check the lower time frame here. Even though we have bullish closure in the price, right? Heavy bullish closure, but don't forget to check the lower time frame here. It's gonna be a little bit choppy now because you feel the range already. So yeah. Out of the topic, coach. I just saw your dog pass by. What the name of your dog? His name Cloud. Cloud. Yeah, he's sleeping. $30 bottom wick, 15 minutes re-break the lows. Interesting. Wow, 60 people, huh? Chat, make sure you like the stream. Like the stream and subs to the channel. Gonna see 40 likes. Support to the channel, chat. 46 wins, 25% break even, and how many percent loss? 29%, or too many loss today too, or this week. Or boats, yeah. So any close above the range here, man, it's good for buy because we move, right? We move a lot. So probably gonna look for entry that buys here. It's good for buy above 3330. Probably this will take time to push up. For sales here, there's some scenarios happening on the price, right? As you guys can see here, you have choppy here range here. But if we have volume, sometimes we have a lot of volume. The price are dropping here. Boom. This support here is not respecting. The price pumping down. Sometimes one candle dropping down, right? Like this, heavy. In that scenario, I'm looking for buys on the wicks, rejection wicks, right? So, buy. Probably if the price are dropping, probably gonna look for buys on this area. See this wicks on the left? Yeah, probably gonna reject here, here. So once the price drop, boom, react, and then price probably will close like this. And you pick how many pip, 100 pip. Yep, consolidation here, chat. On the price, cannot do anything. London session is trash this week. Chat, if you have any questions, feel free, drop in the chat. Drop it, drop it. Because if the Asian session has bigger volume, it is possible the London shell will be consolidated, or if the Asian session is consolidating. Yeah, sometimes like that. Yeah, because the volume came to because of the tariff, China's tariff too, pushing the price. But there is time that Asian session is just consolidating, and then the London session will have a move. Depends on the market. Sometimes, like when I start trading, we start like September. I don't know how how why the price is moving, the time, the session, I don't know, but I start to realize when the year start 2024, start year 2024, January, quarter 1, January, February, March, there is no volume on the Asian session, right? The volume came on the London. And then this year, 2025, the Asian session went crazy because of this tariff shenanigans here. Right now, the volume way back 2024 now is increased, right? It's increased too much because probably because of Trump. And when he announced the tariff, the candles become bigger, right? So yeah, and it's really hard to take to risk a little bit more because of the candles. So probably your stops become wide if you got trades, and then your stop probably if you got some sales here, your stop is up here 150 pips. It doesn't make sense. So if the stops is it's wide for me, I'm lowering down my risk. Instead of risking full, I'm gonna risk half because of the stop loss. 30 minutes is consolidating. There's no news chat on the NY today. There's no news, so you guys can trade freely today. You have FOMC, but this one I don't know if this will give you orange folder here, but I believe this won't give you a lot of volume. Probably the volume will come on the NYSE, right? So any breakout here, it's good. Any breakout is good here for buying up. Boom, 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 boom. But for the sales, a little bit choppy for me on the price on the 15. It's a little bit choppy here. So if you want to take some sales, wait for some, move. If the price move like this, wait for some pullbacks here. Wait for the pullback. It's gonna be waiting time, and then resistance form, sell. That's the scenario. But right now, the buy is good. Buying up because you have range. This is clean range here. Right? But the candle will not push in one candle will not push towards to the upside like this. Probably you will see some structure first, like slowly going up, and then structure like this again, and then pumping like that. Because you have too many steeper bottom wick on the 4 hour here. For me, you're probably gonna wait. The volume gonna comes very slow today. Because we still bearish for the day, chat. Close bearish here. We still bearish here. Anything can happen here. Right? Anything can happen. The gold was crazy, man. Gold is crazy. Anything can happen. Anything can pop down further down here in one candle. So be patience today. Patience. Right now it's choppy. Right? If the price is choppy, you need to practice the patience. Now you need to practice your patience because the price is choppy. Right? If you don't have setup to the market doesn't show any setup, don't trade. Don't trade. You don't need to rush, right? The profit is always there. The money is printing every single day. 3 trillion US dollars a day. If the setup shows, take the piece of pie and go out. That's it. For me, I don't have trade today. Probably I'm gonna see tonight on the NY session. If there's trade, I will take. If no, I'm gonna call it a week because I'm up already on this week, chat. 5 Monday, right? 5 is here. So yeah, I'm up 111 pip. I don't wanna lose anything on 111 pip. And probably I'm gonna lower my risk. Lower the risk. Lower the risk. You don't need to rush the process. No need to rush. No rush. No rush. 15 close bearish. Re-break the high now. Okay. Once you re-break, it will pop here. Oh, 30 minutes. Bottom wick. Oh, because 4 hour is open here. Oh, nice. Interesting. Yeah. So anything can happen here, cha, is you push up. Okay, and then the next candle probably like this to push down further. Minimum. Probably. This probabilities for me. Right? This probabilities for me. But I'm bearish. I told you guys I'm bearish on the day. So I might wrong if the candles, because I wanna take buys too, right? Because of clean traffic here on the left hand side. But if the price happen like this, push up, and then the next candle, boom, like this, man, you will see that popping down here. Like that. Re-break of the high, pop. See that pop? Pop, pop, pump it up. No bueno, man. Pimples. Mm. Um, flipping. 3 minutes for close. Oh, no, 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 no. No, I'm not gonna sell. If you wanna take sell, be my guest. But for me, I don't wanna take sell. There's probably 30 minutes fake out here. Be my guest. I don't wanna take sell. Probably then continue pushing up. Because the 1 hour is, you can see, bullish closure. Right? The 4 hour gonna take bottom wick to drive up. And I don't wanna take the sell. Even though you still have range. For me, 32 pip, I don't like that. But if you wanna take, yeah, be my guest. Take it. Stop loss here, probably 50 pip. But this is gonna be risky, a little bit risky here. 30 minutes close. Yeah. 1 hour is still open, right? So you need to understand that the 1 hour is still open. Anything can happen on the 1 hour. If the 1 hour close bearish, probably I'm gonna take that. Right? And then this one is starting to hover here. Right? It's gonna look like this, right? And then once the 30 close, probably gonna push down. But the 1 hour close bullish. So no for me. Ranging, man. It's pretty tough to take trades because the 30 minutes is still ranging here. Though you have range on 15, but I don't like the ranges here. The range is getting small. So it's a little bit tough here. It's tough. Don't chase it. Don't chase it. Wait for the clean range. Wait for the good setup. Wait for the good setup, my friend. No bottom wick closure. Okay. No bottom wick. Wow. Spike up. Chat. So yeah, probably gonna call it stream now. Gonna see you guys next week, chat. Gonna see you guys next week. If you got the trades there, man, you got some dubs. W week, guys. Make sure if you got trades tonight, later tonight, make sure you have stop loss. All right. So don't overtrade, don't over risk, man. Protect the capital, chat. And you're gonna see you guys next week, right? Love and wisdom. See you guys next week. Peace. I'm out here, man.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody want it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. Did you realize that you are a champion? You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shot so much I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes close your eyelids. We was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich from. And I don't know what he did for dope, but he'd send me back to school with a new wardrobe. And hey, I think he did when he packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everything I wanted, man, it seems so serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this.